In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Mail to Gmail. If you prefer managing everything from one inbox, forwarding your Zoho Mail to Gmail is a simple way to stay organized. We'll do this entirely from Zoho Mail, and I'll point out a few tips to make sure it works smoothly the first time. Open a desktop browser and go to mail.zoho.com. Sign in to your Zoho Mail account. When your inbox appears, look to the top right corner for the small gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click it to open your Zoho settings. In the settings panel, scroll until you see mail accounts and select it. This section controls delivery and account behavior. Inside mail accounts, switch to the general tab. You'll find several high-level preferences here, including forwarding. Choose forward to open the forwarding setup. In the destination field, type your Gmail address carefully. Forwarding will only work if the address is exact, so it's worth double-checking for typos. You may also see an option to keep a copy of forwarded emails in Zoho. Keeping a copy can be useful for backup or for using Zoho's search later, but remember it counts toward your Zoho storage. If your mailbox is close to its limit, consider whether you really need duplicates. After entering your Gmail address, verify it. Zoho requires verification to confirm you own the destination mailbox. Switch to your Gmail inbox and look for a message from Zoho with a verification link or a short code. If it doesn't appear within a couple of minutes, check spam or promotions and make sure the Gmail address you entered in Zoho is correct. Links may expire, so if needed, request a new verification email from the same Zoho screen. Forwarding won't begin until this verification is completed. Once verified, forwarding is active. New messages sent to your Zoho address should now arrive in Gmail, often within seconds. Note that forwarding applies to new incoming mail. It won't move older messages already in Zoho. If messages aren't showing up in Gmail, return to the forward area to confirm the address is verified and the forwarding toggle is enabled. In organizational accounts, an administrator might restrict forwarding. If the option is missing or disabled, check with your admin. You can return to this same forward section anytime to change the destination address or to turn forwarding off. That's all it takes. You've connected Zoho Mail to Gmail using Zoho's built-in forwarding, giving you a cleaner, consolidated inbox with minimal setup.